Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the Roy's RC channel. Got a little unboxing to do today. I got the Horizon eFlight P39 AIRACOBRA 1.2 meter with high power functional features of split flaps, retracts, 3-blade propeller, and more. With authentic details, scale trim scheme, exhaust stabs, drop tank, and more. And best part of all for a guy like me, it's easy to fly with the AS3X Safe Select technology. So there's the beautiful walleye paint scheme on this old bird. The paint scheme I just really don't care for too much. So you never know what happens. You never know what happens. So let's get this puppy out of the box and see what she looks like from Horizon Hobby. Kind of looked through it a little bit already. Here's what it looks like just lying in the box. I'm sure you maybe have all seen that before, so I give you a little glimpse. Stand by, I'll rip all the parts out of the box and get them on the table. Alright guys, here's this thing is out on the table. Let's start with the manual up here. Manual's a Bible, basically, pretty thick little book. Should have every information I need. Got a neat little picture of the plane on there. Here's the main wing, the one-piece wing. She looks pretty good. It's got a little bit of, kind of looks different than the picture on the box. I don't know what's up here. Something changed. I'm not sure what. Here's the elevators, stabilizer, carbon rod, bag of goodies. I'm not sure what that little metal thing is in there. Oh, that's the prop nut. Okay. Here's the other stabilizer. There's your carbon rod. Here's your fuselage. I don't know, something's different on this. I just really don't understand. Oh, I don't see that on the front of the book. Wait a second. What's going on here? That is a totally different looking fuselage than the box. What's different? Oh, we don't got Walleye Pat. We got Roy. Well, that's just badass, ladies and gentlemen. Look at those teeth. Roy on hand. Well, let's take 5 minutes and assemble this pig. Oh, excuse me. This beautiful bird. And see what she looks like sitting on her wheels. Stand by. Alright guys, so I'm putting this wing on. Having some serious difficulties with it. That is... Here's the wing servo plug-ins, and they plug into the fuselage, right? Well, between this trying to sit on there and it's not working right, and as you can see when I pulled it up, it pulled one of the servo leads out. It doesn't let the wing sit down on the fuselage far enough to get the bolts in. I can get the front, I can't get the back. That thing's giving me some hassles. I'm not liking it. I kind of don't really get into these gimmicky little easy quick disconnects that these airplane companies think they're helping you with, but to me it's just being a big old hassle. So I'm trying to decide what to do. I'm thinking that's coming out of there. That's coming out. I'm just going to leave the hole in the bottom of the fuselage I'll plug the wires right into the top of these because these look pretty sweet. And we'll see how it goes. I think that's what I'm going to do. That's coming out. Stand by. Alright, I've got that thing. Took it out. I'm just going to run the wires through there to the wing. Here's my second dilemma. Bolting this wing on. They got these awesome brass threaded, well, whoever installed this stuff or something, I don't know what happened. But anyways, I don't know if you can see. I don't know if you can see it or not. But look, right? Let's see if I can make it. You can see to the high side there. Can you see where my screw's hitting? I mean, the screws aren't even lining up. The screw's hitting up here at the top. Kind of a fat finger to start showing you, but here the screw is hitting here. It's not lining up with the hole, which is over here. It's hitting up here. You can see where it's rubbing. And the same on this one down here. You can see it's been hitting there. That's where the screw hole lines up. So it's like, look, that's like 1/8 of an inch off. It's kind of pissing me off. The front ones, they line up. The back ones, frustrating to me, and I'm getting kind of pissed about it. Bad enough I had to take that out. Alright, I'll be back with a wing on here because I ain't giving up.